Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the straightforward process of opening a Fidelity Brokerage account. Whether you're a beginner investor or looking to switch brokers, Fidelity offers low fees, great tools, and a user-friendly platform to help you grow your portfolio. Stick around, and I'll walk you through it step by step in just a few minutes. First things first, head over to the Fidelity website. You can simply type fidelity.com into your browser. Once you're there, look for the Open an Account button. It's usually front and center on the homepage. This is your gateway to getting started. Next, you'll need to choose the type of account that fits your needs. Fidelity has options like individual brokerage accounts, Roth IRAs, or even joint accounts if you're sharing with a partner. Think about your goals. Are you saving for retirement or trading stocks actively? Select the one that matches what you're aiming for. Now, it's time to fill out your personal information. You'll enter details like your name, address, social security number, and employment status. Don't worry, Fidelity uses secure encryption to protect your data. They'll also ask questions to assess your investment experience and risk tolerance, which helps tailor recommendations to you. After that, verify your identity. This might involve uploading a driver's license or answering security questions. It's a quick step to ensure everything's legit and compliant with regulations. Once verified, you'll fund your account. You can link a bank account for transfers, use a debit card, or even roll over from another brokerage. Start with as little as you like. Fidelity doesn't have minimums for most accounts. Finally, review everything carefully, agree to the terms, and submit your application. You'll get a confirmation email, and your account should be active within a day or two. Pro tip: once it's open, explore Fidelity's app for easy mobile trading and research tools. There you have it. That's how to open a Fidelity brokerage account in simple steps. If you follow this guide, you'll be investing in no time. If you have questions or run into any issues, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips. See you next time.